Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn off or turn off silent mode on OPPO Reno 12 Pro. Firstly, double pull from top of your screen to the bottom and search for the bell icon. For me it is located here, but it may vary on your device. And if you cannot find it, swipe right or left and still cannot find it, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on edit tiles. Then it's going to be here at the bottom with this little plus icon, and after you found the bell, just simply tap on the plus and go back. After you finally have the bell icon here, tap on it, and if it says ring, it means it is turned off, and if it says silent mode, it means it is enabled. And that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.